Isang tip lang ang mabibigay ko sa'yo para makapag-handle ka ng multiple clients from someone who's handling multiple clients 10 plus pataas. Be organized. Sobrang simple niya pero sobrang hirap niyang gawin. Kailangan maging organized ka. Kasi kung hindi ka organized at wala kang system, wala kang project management tool, hindi nakalista lahat ng to-do list mo, hindi ko alam kung paano mo na-handle ang multiple clients. Kahit 2, 3 pa yan, sobra kailangan organized ka, okay? Kailangan may project management tool ka. Kailangan nakalagay lahat ng gagawin mo every day, every month. Kailangan talaga yun. Para wala kang makalimutan. And syempre, huwag kang hahawak ng madaming client kung hindi mo naman kaya. Mas maganda pa din if you are providing quality service. Na parang mafe-feel nila that they are the only client na meron ka kasi hands-on ka pa din sa kailangan nila. Actually, that's something that I love doing. Sila lang yung client ko. Reason why nagpapagawa sila na nagpapagawa. Syempre, the more na madami silang pinapagawa, the more natataas yung income natin as a freelancer. But, of course, make sure before you accept those multiple clients is kaya mo yung mga responsibility na yun. Again, maging organized ka.